Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make chili vinegar. Okay, this recipe is very simple. All you need is vinegar. This is the vinegar, some salt, water, and lots of chilies according to whatever you want to put inside. So I've got about 15 chilies. Okay, for this chili vinegar, which goes well on Chinese dishes, okay, so we require acetic acid vinegar, white vinegar, salt, water. Now these chilies, which are nice and pungent, so you take about 15 of them and then something to heat it up with. So all these measurements and is described in our description box below. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna cut my chilies about like this. Now you want, when you go to Chinese restaurants, they make it, I want it nice and crunchy. So I'm not gonna put it in hot vinegar. So what I'm gonna do is cut these chilies like this. This is equal amount of vinegar, equal amount of water. Mix this up. This is my vinegar. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes so I can heat it up. In the meantime, I cut my chilies. Okay, so now vinegar and water combination, which we put in the microwave, I've cooled it down. Now, the reason I cooled it down is I want my chilies to be crunchy. I don't want them to be cooked. Okay, so we're gonna mix this all together. This salt, mix it nicely. And now I'm gonna add my vinegar to it. Those salt and water vinegar combination, which was the water and vinegar combination. Now just mix it nice. Pour it into this and let it sit out for about a day or so. Hi guys, so this is our chili vinegar and it's been sitting down for 2 days. That's why it's nice and pickled, and you can use it for soups as an additional garnish, or when you want to give a tang to it. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our blog, thetopperchef.com, and also follow us on social media. Happy cooking!